Hindi, rude na customer. I need to leave immediately and call the police. Bye, ma'am. Ah! Hello guys, it's me Maynard. Kamusta kayo? So, for today's video, may bago tayong lalaroin and this is the Boba Tea Shop. And ngayon ulit ako makakapag-upload kasi na busy ako ng ilang buwan na naman. Hala, biglang nag-delay laro. So, let's start. This game contains loud noises, jump scares, and unsettling content. Yeah, I know. Okay, this is the grand opening. Okay. After saving up for years, I finally have enough money to open my own boba tea shop. This is it. The moment where all those corporate days finally paid off in the form of boba and dreams. Nag-work siya sa corporate, but even with all these excitements, my nerves are on the edge. I put everything into this place, I can let fail. Dapat lang, kasi sayang kung mag-fail, di ba? Day 1. Saan tayo? Okay. Flip store, signage to open. Okay. Punta tayo sa door. And, so, check ko muna yung ano. Iba't ibang. Tara, yung ganda ng view. Building. Nakakatakot na agad yung ano niya. Yung graphics pa lang, oh. Luma. Pang luma siya, pero it's creepy for me. Okay, this is the restroom. Male toilet. Female toilet. Diyos ko. Wala pa, pero kinikilabutan na agad ako. Okay. Punta na tayo dito. Hey, we're already open. Okay. Go to your counter and close the counter door. Sarado ko muna to. Okay na? Talk to customer. To take orders. Okay. Bali, may first customer agad tayo. Alright. Hey, how are you, ma'am? It's about time. A boba tea shop open around here, yeah? I have a boba milk tea. Okay. Boba milk tea agad order niya. Fill up with black tea, add milk and boba. Okay. Okay. Bali, ano muna? Baso. Ito ba? Hindi, that's... No, tama, ito. Tapos, ito yung cup station. Tapos, add milk. Where's the milk? Wait lang. Where's the milk? Ito. Nasa ref siya. Okay, babalik ko. Uy, ayaw mabalik. Taray. Diyan na yun. Tapos, add boba. Okay, this is the boba. Tapos, syempre tatakpan ko. I guess dito siya. Okay, it's all good. Here's your milk tea. I have a boba milk tea. Kaya nga, ito nga. Ito na nga. Oh, ano ba yan? Hindi, wala pa palang black tea, sorry. Ito pa pala, black tea pa. Okay, another, sayang. Wala. Lugi agad ako kasi nasayang yung isang... Lugi agad ako doon, laro. Okay, tapos... Taray, napaka-basic naman ng ingredients na to. Ito pala. Tapos... Putik na yung sayang yung ano ah. Wala na. Lugi na agad ako. Ito na, girl. Okay. Pipindutin ko na yung ring bell. Tapos, thank you. Click on the cash to put in a cash. Thank you. Okay, ganun lang pala. Okay, another customer. Sakto, uminom din ako ng milk tea ah. Nakakatakot yung buka. Hey, what is your order? Um, what is all this fuss about these drinks? Wait lang. It's milk tea with tapioca, also known as boba. These drinks are trending among youngsters. You should try one. Alright then, I'll take boba milk tea for my son and one black tea for myself. Not sure I trust those chewy things. Okay, ayun yun ang pearl. One boba milk tea for my son and one black tea, okay? Okay. Ito, sakto. Eh, hindi. Waste na pala to. Saan ba may basura dito? Dito ka na nga. Wait lang. Ah, natapon. Just a black tea. Ay, hindi, wala pa pala. Hindi ko pa pala nasil. Putik na tapon. This your order, sir. Huh, this better be good. Thank you. Bata. Hey, kids. Yeah, a boba tea shop. Big sis, can I get one fresh milk with boba? Sure. Thank you. Big sis, you should add strawberry boba to the menu. Sure. I-suggest sa akin. It will be a bestseller for sure. Okay. Ang cute niya. Siguro pandak lang siya pero matanda na siya. Expanding the menu could be a good idea. I will do some research after closing. Hey, what is your order, sir? Oh wow, I wasn't expecting to see such a beautiful lady behind the counter. Any drink will do, as long as you add in some boba sweet as you. Okay, some customer request costume or specialized order. They may leave tips depending on how satisfied they are with their drinks. Okay, any drinks will do as long as you add in some boba sweet as you. Putik na yan. Bahala ka dyan, gagawa na lang kita ng milk tea, daming alam. Ano, ako na raw bahala. Basta ano, kasing tamis ko daw. How sweet. Thanks. Also, you look really cute. Can I have your number? Oh, sabi na eh. Sure. Okay, give fake number. Siyempre fake number para ano, mahirap na baka mamaya. Serial. Baka mamaya di pala ano to. Sindikato pala. Sweet. Now I've got a new favorite boba tea shop and barista. Here's a little extra. $5. Thank you. That's it all for today. I should clean the shop and prepare for tomorrow. Ano na gagawin ko next? Okay. Ay, hindi. Sorry. Ano pala? Close na pala. Ah! Ano yan? I'm so sorry. I'm determined to scare you. Okay, may umabol pang customer ata. Nakakatakot. Okay na. So you were about to close and I had to rush in. It's fine. Come over to the counter and I take your order. We're closed. Get out. I need something to keep me going. I work in this building and I have report due by tomorrow. If I don't finish it, my boss will kill me. Pagbigyan ko na nga. Oh, ayaw mo tanggapin. Okay, extra boba pa pala to. Wala na, sayang ulit. Sa pataw? Bigla-bigla na lang papasok. Thank you so much. I really appreciate I really appreciate it. Okay, bye. Okay, magko-close na ako. Lumabas ka na. Ah, okay. Pero bakit? Ano to? Lilinisan ko sana. Tataas ko lang pala yung mga upuan. Bakit keep? Nakakatakot ka naman magtrabaho kapag ikaw lang mag-isa tapos wala pang security guard tapos may mga ma-encounter nga ano daw. Tapos may mga ma-encounter ka na ano no, iba't ibang customer. Yun na yun, naalis na yun, hindi mo lang sinabunan. Alamang games yan. Ay, hindi, meron pa pala. Pati hindi map yan, yung pang ano ng CR yan, di ba? Yung sa Inidoro. Okay. Dadali ko yung map, papalitan ko sana. Kasi hindi naman map to, eme-eme itong laro na to. Oh. Okay. Sabi ko sa iyo, okay manggugulat. Day 2. I introduced the copy series into the menu. Okay, may copy na tayo. Hindi na milk lang. You should keep those workaholic awake. Oo nga naman. Oh, also thanks to that little girl suggestion. Pero hindi siya nag-suggest ng coffee. Strawberry sinuggest niya, di ba? I have added strawberry into the mix. Time to wow the customer with some drinks, with some new drinks. The recipe for the new drinks is jotted down on the whiteboard in the staff room. Ah, ikaw ulit? Ikaw ulit, tatay? Yeah. Give me one boba milk tea and one Americano. Okay. Here's your order, sir. Thanks. Just heads up for you. I'll be running maintenance on the electrical circuit of this building. Ah, okay. Nagtatrabaho siya as maintenance sa building na to. So expect some power outage from time to time. Yari! Putik na yan. Ibig sabihin magdidilim. Magba-brown out tapos may mga kasalubong ako na mga creepy customer. Ganon. Hey! Hey, ma'am. Give me two boba strawberry milk tea. Sure. Ay, nagmamadali. I need my energy replenishment after a full day of working out. Wait lang. Strawberry na lang kulang, no? Say strawberry. Coffee to eh. Coffee container to eh. Ay, ito pala. Here's your strawberry boba milk tea, ma'am. Thank you. Ha? Yan yung in-order mo. Sabi mo strawberry boba milk tea. So ano nga in-order mo? Give me two. Putik na yung mautak tong customer na to. Hindi gigil ako. Nilulugi mo yung business ko, ma'am. Hurry up. I need my energy replenishment after full day of working. Scammer ka, ma'am. Awit sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan. Umalis ka dito. Hmm. Yan, sana masaya ka. What took you so... Putik na yan, nabagalan pa siya dun. I almost died of exhaustion here. Ang OA! Ang OA nitong customer na to. Nakakainis. Ikaw ulit. Hey! Nice to see you again. Yeah, you added strawberry into your menu. Yeah. Please make me any drinks with strawberries in. Okay, sure. Try ko yung strawberry milk lang. Putik na yan. Oo na. Alam ko may manggugulat na naman sa akin dito. Did you not pay your electricity bill, big sis? Okay, sabi ro merong ano eh, problema sa kuryente. Delivery counter. Thank you. Yun na nga, brown out na. Diyos ko! Hey! May tumalon! May tumalon! May nakita ko sa bitana. What is wrong with your store? There is no electricity. Anyway, give me a cup strawberry milk tea. Malay ko ba? Titinda lang ako dito, bakit ako yung pinagdidiskitaan nyo, ha? May kinalaman ba ako dyan? Meral ko ba ako? Meral ko? Thanks for doing your job. Of course, I'm gonna do my job properly. May tumatawag sa telepono. What is this? Hey there, it's me again. From just now. Just want to inform you that I've completed the electrical maintenance. Thank you. Thank you, sir. You shouldn't be experiencing any power outage anymore. That's all. Bye. Okay, new customer. Well, hello there. This place has a really cozy vibe. So many choices, I don't even know where to start. So, do you have any caffeinated milky drinks? Sure. Okay, gawa tayo latte. Just like how I like my coffee, smoothie, creamy, and milky. Here's a little tip for making it how I like it. Thank you. Wow, ang taas, $8. Okay, close na. Okay, wala naman. So far, day 3. I have added chocolate series into the menu. Okay, bali may chocolate series na ako. Now my customer should have more variety of drinks to choose from. Okay, our pork. Ikaw ulit, ma'am. Give me cup of boba mocha. Okay, boba mocha. How to... What is the ingredients of boba mocha? Okay, Americano plus chocolate lang. Yeah, this looks fine. Anyway, have you heard about the woman who jumped from this building? Yeah, nakita ko nga eh. This stress must have gotten to her. I understand working a corporate job is stressful. Corporate life isn't easy, but some of us are an image to maintain. You wouldn't get it working a low stress job like this. Yeah, I know that feeling kasi nga 'di ba, yung character ko is nag-work siya sa corporate job for about 5 years. Okay, delivery counter. Okay, ikaw ulit sir. What is your order? Well, hey there. Nice to see you again. Could you give me one chocolate milk? Sure. How about enough caffeine this morning? Okay. Ah! What the heck? Who is that? Thank you. Oh, ikaw ulit. Ito ulit. Yung mautak na customer. Ikaw ulit. Ikaw ulit. Give me a double boba. Ang dami nitong request. So, tignan mo naman. Oh. Double boba. Ano yan? Strawberry chocolate milk. Di kaya sumakit yan mo yan? Bahala ka dyan. Nakakayo dito yung mga gantong customer. Take you long enough. I could run another lap by now. Di ba? Natagalan pa rin siya. Puro ka reklamo. Okay, new customer. Kaso bata naman. Kanina, batang babae, pero ito, batang lalaki. What is your order? Hi, miss. I really like your boba tea. My dad always get it. Ah, okay. Tatay niya yon, yung nag-aayos ng electric. Ito ulit yung stock. Putik na yan. Ito ulit yung lalaki. Okay. But he's super busy today, so I came to get it for him instead. Okay, what is your order? Can I have one boba milk tea and one mocha, please? Sure. Thanks, miss. You're welcome. Well, waiting for my dad every day is so boring. Nasaan na yung lalaki na yun? Taray, bagong customer. Maganda siya. Hey, ma'am. Ah, we don't have a matcha drink, sorry. That's a shame. I really love matcha. Me too. I love matcha too. Oh well, in that case, I'll take a boba chocolate. Okay. Boba chocolate. Just a boba chocolate. Ang dali lang. Madali lang gawin. Bakit papa? Ugali mo pa. Ano daw? Oo nga, matcha. Thanks. But seriously, add some matcha to the menu and you'll see here all the time. Sure. Thank you for suggesting, ma'am. Hey, how are you? Hello there, sweetie. Such a lovely little shop you have here. Could I have a strawberry chocolate? Sure. Thanks you, sweetie. You look a little pale, like you've seen a ghost or something. Totoo ba? Maputla. Make sure you get enough sleep, dear. Might can be unkind to the restless. Thank you. Come again. It's closing time now. I should probably check if anyone is still in the toilet. Ayun ako, ito na naman yung mga gugulat na naman dito. Oo nga pala yung lalaki. Sabi na eh, hey, putik na yun, nakakatakot yung muka. Sir, we are closing soon. Are you going to order? Hey, labas! Oh, ibig sabihin parang ano lang yun. Imagination lang. Okay. Day 4. Hanggang ilang days kaya to, no? I guess day 5 lang ata. I've been feeling up lately. Maybe it's just the stress. I even went to see a psychologist about it. She said I'm fine. That's it. All in my head. Okay. I guess meron na tayong matcha kasi sinadjust siya kanina ng customer. Business is picking up with the new menu and I need to keep things running. Okay, bali may tumatawag ulit. Hello? Is this Miss Risa? This is Dr. Amanda, your psychologist from yesterday. I wanted to check on you. You mentioned seeing things that can happen when you're under a lot of stress. If you see something that isn't really there, try shifting your focus away and take a deep breath for a few seconds. Most of the time, that should help. But if it doesn't, maybe consider leaving work early and getting some rest. Yari, makakakita naman ako ng multo. Okay, ngayon lang kita nakita. Give me two Americanos, one latte, and one mocha. Ang dami yung order. Okay. None of that boba crap. Medyo rude ka, Sarah. Okay. Good, everything here. Hitting the road with my family, gotta keep them awake so that they don't pass out on me later. Loser. Fuck you. There you are. Boba matcha latte. Make it weak, okay? Nagmamadali siya. Yeah, di talaga madali. Putik, sino to? Just the other day, one of my below decided to run away from here. Responsibilities. Sino yan? Left a mess behind now. I have to clean up for her. Unlike her, I don't get the luxury of walking away. Hundreds of people rely on me to feed their families. Thankfully, I found a replacement pass. Sorry, that was a weird thing to rant about. You consider it little extra for your trouble. Who is that? Putik din, nakakita na naman ako ng ng multo. There you are. Ito yung mahilig sa matcha. Meron akong matcha, ma'am. You abandoned matcha. That's awesome. Can I have boba strawberry matcha milk tea? Here's your order. Thank you. Some extra for you. $5. Hey, it's you again, Big Sis. What is your order? Please make me any drinks with strawberry again. Okay. Thank you, Big Sis. Here's your little extra for your hard work. $2 lang. Nagreklamo pa. Buti nga may tip pa. Ikaw ulit. Okay, strawberry mocha. Great now. Back to working. I go. Ay, hindi. No, no. Go back to working. Ingat, ingat, ma'am. Okay. We're close again. Okay. Linis pa pala ako. Ay, hindi. Kailangan ko pala sundin yung instruction. Di na dumiti, dugo na to ah. Okay, day 5. I've been really feeling like myself lately. Why? Maybe it's just stress or not getting enough sleep. Baka nga. But I've got a business to run and people are starting to come back more often. Okay nga, dumadami na nga yung customer ko. Just gotta keep going, one cup at a time. Ang dilim na ng store ko, anyari. Halos wala na, halos wala na ako makita. Check ko ang order niya, ano ulit. Putik! Sandali! Sino to? Hey! I guess I just have to run again. Tago. I guess wala akong choice kundi gawin yung order niya. Boba Americano, putik din. Ang weird dun ah. Thanks. If these damn things choke me to death, I'm coming back to hunt you. What the heck? Ang creepy naman ng sinabi niya. Putik. That's not a good joke ah. Di nakakatawa yung joke ah. What is your order? Derry, could I have a green tea? Sure. The yin energy in this place strong. Give me goosebumps. What is yin energy? I think yun natin mga multo. You'd better leave. I better leave while I still can. Umalis ka na, ma'am. Takbo! I know, di kita pagsiserve. Pagtatago ako dito. Ano naman to? Hey, you! Double boba, matcha milk tea, please. Okay, hurry. Or else? Or else ano? Or else ano? Ano gagawin mo sa akin? What are you gonna do to me? What are you gonna do to me? Ah! Oh! Putik na yan. Okay, kailangan ko pala bilisan yung part na yun. Halos wala lang. Okay, gets ko na. Gagawin ko na agad yung yung ano mo, matcha milk tea mo. Girl, yan ang order mo, girl. Thank you. Okay. Yan na, okay na ha. Huwag mo sabihin, ay nako. Okay. Hello. Okay, ito yung babae na ano ah. Ito yung babae, yung nagsisimula pa lang maglaro. Hello, nice to meet you. I'm an inspector from Department of Health. I need to run a quickly cleanliness check on your shop. This is to make sure that your shop meet the standard needed. Okay, auditor siya. Don't worry, you may continue serving your customer normally. Just pretend I'm not here. Of course, alright, I guess. Here's a little something for you. $3. Yes, what? Ano po yun, ma'am? Alright, everything appears to be sparkling clean. Thank you. Pero tingnan sa area ko madumi. Thank you so much for your time and have a nice day. Have a nice day too. I don't feel so good. I should leave the office soon. Okay, let's... Medyo masama na pakiramdam ko, so... I'm gonna close the store na. Okay, time to leave. Again. Putik, kala ko day 5 lang. Putik na may day 6 pa. Hanggang ilang days to. Every day it feels like I'm sleeping burger. The things I see, something they're here, sometimes they're not. I don't even know what's real anymore. But this shop is my dream. I worked too hard to let it fall apart now. Slowly smile, I serve, and I keep going. Halos di ko na makita mo kanila. Pukin ang mukha yan. Yo, had the best road trip of my life. Saan ka pumunta? Look at you. Still slaving away behind the counter. Pakiram mo. Check, what a loser. Hindi gigil ako nito, napakayabang. Okay, give me a matcha latte and strawberry mocha. Ayoko, bahala ka dyan. Okay, matcha latte. Hindi. Coffee. Hindi, mali pala. Sorry. Tapos strawberry. Mukha na lang nakikita ko. Nice, do you know how to follow instruction? Of course. Guess even loser can learn. Okay, ingat ka. Hey! Ikaw na naman! Putik, ang dami nila. Ano yun? Ang dami. Well, I guess that's an illusion. Just give me any strong coffee, no milk. Make it quick. Some of us real jobs. Get back to you. Get back to you. Get back to you. Halos wala na akong makita. Putik na yan. Ay, putik. Ah! Tama! No milk yun. Ano ba ito in-order ko? Tama, Americano. For a second there, I thought I'd have to teach you and how to brew coffee. Okay, ano nangyari next? Ano to mga to? Ah! Ano yun? Putik na yan. Ano gagawin ko? Leche. Bye. Ano gagawin ko? Please, help me. Ano kaya gagawin ko? Putik na yun. Wala naman ang umu-order. Boba matcha milk tea, please. Okay, boba matcha milk tea. Okay, kailangan mabilis pala ako dito. Putik na yan. Ah, boba matcha. Okay, wala pala. Putik, takbo, takbo, takbo. Tago ulit, tago. Ah, walang boba. Nakalimutan ko lagi ng boba na taranta ako. Walang sago. Oh my God, bakit? Hindi, ako lang pala nakakita nun. Kasi nga may third eye ako. Uy, di ko na makita yung ano, bell. Good job. Tago ulit ako. Okay, tama lang pala ginawa ko. Nag-hide ako. Where I'm gonna hide? Okay. Girl, wala na talaga ako makita. Wala nga ako makita. Okay, dito. Okay. Yan na, nakapag-hide na ako. Happy? Happy. Okay, tama. Kahit wala akong makita doon, nakapag-hide ako. Ang galing. Who is that? Putik na ito na may scammer na to. Ito yung mautak na customer. What is your madam? Where the hell have you been? Nagtago ako malamang. Okay nang... I've been ringing that bell for 10 minutes. Kahit hindi talaga 10 minutes yan. Not everyone has time to sit around and wait for you to finish whatever. I'll give work to another cafe. Grab a drink. Then get out. Wala akong pakialam sa'yo. This is how you treat your customer. No wonder this place is also quiet. You can just leave the counter unattended like that. What if someone came in and robbed this place? Honestly, okay, day 7. Okay nang... Hanggang ilang days ba to? Damn. I need to pee so badly. Okay. I just get a drink from you and use their toilet. Okay. Kailangan pumunta sa CR, no? It says staff only. To selfish store. Ano, bigla akong naging customer na lang dito, ganon. Hindi na ako stop. Let me order drinks first, then sneak while she's not looking. Hey! Ito pala ako, okay. Hi there. Where can I get you there? Boba, strawberry milk tea. Is that all? Yes, and can I borrow the toilet while I wait? I'm very sorry, our toilet is staff for only. Putik na yun for staff lang yung toilet nila. Wala kayo ng customer niyan. Please wait a moment. One boba strawberry milk tea. Coming right up. Okay, gagawin niya na yung milk tea ko. Toilet for staff only. Screw that. Totoo nga naman, I will sneak into the toilet while she is making my drink. Tari may harang ha. Ano to? Anong mga laman dyan? Yun lang, sabi na eh. Putik, pinatay ko yung kaninang character ko, pinatay itong rude na staff. Hindi, rude na customer. I need to leave immediately and call the police. Bye, ma'am. Ah! Ah! Paano yun? Nangyari? I told you. The toilet is for staff only. Okay, anong gagawin niya sa akin? But nobody ever listen. Not when they look at me like I'm failure. But they keep coming in with their eyes, staring, judging. This shop is my sanctuary, my little world. Bakit? So, ibig sabihin yung kanina characters ko, yung pala yung masama. Hindi. Ano ba? Ano ba talaga? Not you, Nutter, not the shadows. I didn't want this, but you left me no choice. Okay, ano na kayo mangyari? Sa akin as customer. It's a shame that you don't get to enjoy my boba drink. Potek na yan. Tapos na? Yun na yan? That is... Okay. Tapos na. Yung pala yung storya nun. Una, stop ako, tapos ending, naging customer, tapos... Okay. Yun na yun. Thank you guys for watching. It's nice to see you again. Bye.